Today I'm going to show you how to place a label onto a traffic cone in Adobe Photoshop. First, select your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the cone to select it. Press Ctrl J to cut the cone sign from its background. Select your Rectangle tool from the toolbar. And draw a rectangle. Click Fill. And select White. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Select your Move tool from the toolbar. And then drag it down. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Then right-click and choose the Distort. Click and drag of the corner handles. Right-click again, and choose Warp. Open the Warp list at the top. And select the arch. And use the handle to determine the right bend for the cone. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Right-click on the top layer, and create Clipping Mask. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Now hold the Alt key to split black slider of the underlying layer. Click OK once you're satisfied. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Increase the radius to 3 pixels. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.